Hey there, fellow travelers. It's me, Dan Ramos, ready to embark on an adventure without the usual head scratching. In today's video, I am super excited because we are doing something I've never done before. Finally, I'm going to try ice skating for the very first time, and we are going to the ice rink at SM Mega Mall. I'm so excited, guys, so see you there! So, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe! So guys, we are here at the SM Mega Mall and the ice skating rink is located on the 5th floor. Let's head up and see what we need to do. So guys, here what you need to do for the first step is you need to fill out some form indicating your chosen time slot and other services that you are going to avail, like getting polar bear, locker, or some coaching assistant. And for the step 2, you need to pay at the counter. So guys, for our third step is that you need to show your receipt, and after that they will stamp your hand. So guys, for the last step, we are going to get our ice skating shoes. And may provide din pala silang helmet for safety purposes. Pwede kayong kumuha guys, pwede rin hindi if you prefer not to. Pero since first time namin, it is important to prioritize our safetyness, kaya kukuha kami. Although yung amoy niya guys is hindi siya ganun kaaya-aya. Pero carry na guys for the safety. And may pipil upan ulit tayo dito. So yan, parang waiver. So yan, tamang chika lang si kuya. And very helpful sila guys. And you don't need to worry guys. They have a wide range size of shoes here. And yung staff is super helpful nila. So yan guys, after namin nakuha yung shoes and helmet, yan, sinusot na namin yung shoes para mag-skate na. By the way guys, may lockers din pala dito and dun namin iniwan yung ibang gamit namin para hindi hassle. So now, we are going to proceed to get the polar bear. So nag-avail kami ng isang polar bear lang. Since hindi naman kami ganun magkuhan, like for experience lang talaga. So guys, finally, nandito na tayo. Ayan. For the first time, tinatry ko munang pakiramdaman yung paligid and yan, dahan-dahan kasi may possibility tayo na ma-fall and ma-outbalance. So yan guys, kaya dapat importante na i-prioritize natin yung safetyness natin. So yan, try naman ng mga sister ko. So siya guys, medyo nag-aalangan siya and very helpful guys nga pala na kumapit kayo sa mga side-side. Especially kung hindi pa kayo ganun kagaling or first time nyo kagaya namin. So yan guys, nung medyo kaya-kaya na naming i-balance, ayan, hindi na, medyo nakaka-excite na siya, hindi na siya nakakatakot. So yan guys, sa una medyo mahirap talaga siyang i-balance. Syempre, first time guys, and hindi rin kami nag-avail ng coaching. Talagang nakarely lang kami dyan sa polar bear and very helpful siya guys. So yan, yung sister ko, nakakaya niya ng medyo ilakad-lakad. Unlike kanina naman, di ba? Nung pinatry namin, ayaw niya talagang. Kasi hindi niya pa parang nafe-feel yung ground. So, ayan. Kaya na nilang hiraman dyan sa polar bear na yan. Dati kasi isa-isa lang yung humihiram. So, yan. Kaya na nilang i-balance konti.
Let's go, Pio! Hey!
So guys, here are some of my tips as a first timer. So dapat guys, ang susuot nyong clothes is yung comfortable kayo. Kasi guys, really, kailangan nyo yung talagang stretchable na damit para makagalaw-galaw kayo. And dapat, ready kayo, ready yung katawan nyo. Kasi medyo nakakangalay guys, lalo na yung yuyuko-yuko kayo dyan. Tapos kailangan nyo kasing i-balance. And then, ayan. Basta guys, i-enjoy nyo lang. And of course, prioritize nyo yung safety nyo. So guys, finally, we are done and indeed, it was a great experience, especially for us na first time lang namin i-try itong ice skating. Very fun siya, very super, basta guys, iba yung feeling, kaya kung ako sa inyo guys, i-try nyo na rin. Good for experience siya. And guys, meron pala silang photo booth dito. Meron silang parang official photographer na kumukuha doon if gusto nyo lang na magpakuha and kunin yung picture as a souvenir. So, since kami, nag-avail kami like 250 pesos ata yung isang photo. photo. So yan guys, i-claim natin dun. And after nating makuha, we're done! Another tip guys is kunin yung slot na una kasi yun yung kinuha namin. And as you can see ngayon guys is masyadong mahaba yung pila and hassle na siya. If you love this adventure, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tales. Where should I go next? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep wandering and discovering the beauty the world has to offer. Safe travels!